Turkish-made armored vehicles are increasing their Sunday share all over the world. Hundreds of Ejder Yalçın 4x4 and NMS 4x4 tactical wheeled armored vehicles made by Nurol Makina, operating in Turkey, are operating in more than 20 countries. Finally, Nurol Makina, which has signed contracts with Hungary and Estonia, increases its exports every passing year. Ejder Yalçın armored vehicles to be produced in Hungary. Nurol Makina signed an agreement for the production of Ejder Yalçın armored vehicles in Hungary. Nurol Makina Hungary, N7 National Defence Industry Innovation Holding and Raba Automotive Holding signed an agreement for the production of Gideon, Ejder Yalçın, armored vehicles in Hungary. The joint venture aims to produce Gideon armored vehicles for the Hungarian Defence Forces in Hungary, with activities that include not only manufacturing and assembly, but also research and innovation. The agreement is expected to create more than 200 jobs. Hungary, which is looking to increase the technological capabilities of its army, preferred the Ejder Yalçın armored combat vehicle produced by Nurol Makina. A new country was added to the list of countries that chose the armored vehicles of Nurol Makina, one of the armored land vehicle manufacturers of the Turkish defense industry. Hungary, which has been carrying out activities to increase the technological capabilities of its army and to replace the Soviet Union-era vehicles and equipment with Western systems, chose Ejder Yalçın. Hungary became the sixth country in the world and the first country in the European Union to choose Ejder Yalçın to meet the needs of its security forces. Ejder Yalçın participated in the National Defence Day events, where the Hungarian Defence Forces exhibited the vehicles in their inventory and procurement process, with the Yörük 4x4 light armoured vehicle. Ejder Yalçın, which was introduced to internal security units, appeared in the convoy of vehicles travelling through the streets of Budapest. Ejder Yalçın is best in its class. Ejder Yalçın was developed to meet the operational needs of military units and security forces in all kinds of regions and terrain conditions, including residential areas and rural areas. The vehicle, which has high protection and mobility capabilities, serves as a unique platform that has proven itself in the field of operation. Ejder Yalçın, which is also in the inventory of security forces in Turkey, has configurations developed for different missions. Ejder Yalçın is the leader in its class with its protection level, mobility and payload carrying capacity, and its different configurations include Explosive Ordnance Disposal Vehicle, Air Defence Vehicle, Command and Control Vehicle, Combat Vehicle, CBRN Reconnaissance Vehicle, Personnel Carrier, Mine, Improvised Explosive Detection Destruction Vehicle, Armoured Ambulance and Border Surveillance and Security Vehicle. Nurol Makina continues to work intensively on different configurations of the vehicle in line with the contracts signed with international users. Estonian Defence Forces signed a deal worth around €200 million with Türkiye to supply armoured vehicles. Estonian Defence Forces signed a deal worth around €200 million with Türkiye to supply armoured vehicles. With the mentioned deal, total of 230 Nurol 4x4 NMS and 6x6 Otokar Arma will be procured. It's aimed to deliver the order under 2 years. Also, Nurol Makina signed a new deal worth approximately €70 million with Estonian Army for NMS 4x4 procurement. Estonian Ministry of Defence had stated that variation of 4x4 and 6x6 vehicles would be ordered for Estonian Land Forces. It stated that the deliveries will be completed until end of 2024. most recent design of Nurol Makina, NMS-4X4, features a V-shaped monocoque body. Its advanced drivetrain makes the vehicle fast and highly maneuverable at rural and urban areas. Its low weight and high protection features provide for operational superiority and high resilience in the face of the most aggressive and asymmetric threats. A next-generation vehicle, NMS-4X4 represents a perfect combination of scalable composite material armor. Furthermore, thanks to its higher speed and superior protection features compared to other vehicles in his segment, the vehicle is suitable as an escort in VIP convoys. NMS 4x4 variants. The modular design of NMS 4x4 enables the users to cover a wide range of special operations such as combat operations, transportation of troops and equipment, air defense, and reconnaissance. NMS 4x4 is an extremely attractive and useful solution for today's hybrid warfare. General features: personnel carrying capacity up to 7. Easy embarking and disembarking. Ergonomic design. Run flat tires. Integration of manual or remotely controlled turret system. Hydraulic assisted power steering. Left and right hand adopted gun loops. Rectifier integrated to the vehicle. Built-in radio infrastructure. Quick, easy and low-cost maintenance. Interior gunpowder smoke evacuation fans. Integration of different weapon systems. 7.62mm AMG, 12.7mm AMG, 40mm grenade launcher, air defense system, anti-tank weapon system. Optional features: scalable ballistic protection levels, central tire inflation system, CTIS, internal communication system, vehicle front and rear camera systems, day-night vision system, self-recovery system, smoke grenade launchers, projector and announcement system, 360 to the power of 0 driver vision enhancement system, military GPS and vehicle tracking system, chemical, biological, radiological, nuclear, CBRN, protection system, internal controlled projector and announcement system, blackout light system, electro-hydraulic back door, fuel tank, explosion-proof and puncture-resistant. Preheating system for cold environments. Engine preheating system. Personnel cabin, vehicle, tire and engine compartment automatic fire extinguishing system. Due to increasing security concerns all over the world, many countries are knocking on Turkey's door to buy armored vehicles. Turkey is signing armored land vehicle contracts with many countries, especially NATO member countries, in the field of armored land vehicles. The demand for Turkish-made armored land vehicles is increasing after they were displayed successfully performing their duties in the Russia-Ukraine war. It seems that Turkey wants to double its success in this area together with exports. You can watch many Turkish-made weapon systems on our channel. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.